Hi, WordPress users. You already bring visitors to your WordPress site every day. The hard part is turning those visits into something lasting, an app install on their phone, or saving your site like an app on their home screen. Most sites leave that to chance. A tiny Safari banner here, maybe nothing on Android, no way to know if anyone actually installed, and no control over the message or timing. Promote your app changes that. One WordPress plugin. One settings screen. You can promote a real iOS or Android app from the stores, or turn your entire website into an installable progressive web app, PWA, without hiring developers or waiting months for App Store approval. You get native banners where they work, beautiful custom pop-ups where they do not, QR codes for desktop visitors, deep linking, A/B testing, and analytics that tell you what is actually working. Let me show you how simple this is. Native app promotion. Connect your App Store and Play Store listings. On iPhone, visitors see Apple's Smart App banner. On Android, they see your branded pop-up with your icon, headline, and call to action. Add a deep link, and returning users open the app directly, or fall through to the store automatically. No app yet? No problem. Enable PWA mode. The plugin generates your web app manifest and service worker automatically. Your WordPress site becomes installable on Android and addable to the home screen on iPhone, with a step-by-step guide since Apple doesn't allow automatic installs. Installed users even get an offline fallback page. Your brand, not a browser error. Desktop visitors. They see a QR code. They scan it, and your store or site opens on their phone. No native banner can do that. Exclude checkout pages. Target specific URLs. All without touching code. A/B testing and analytics. Test 2 messages. See impressions, conversions, dismissals, and platform breakdown. iOS, Android, PWA, in your dashboard. Upload the Promote Your App folder to your WordPress plugins directory, or install the zip from Plugins. Add new. A new menu item called Promote App appears in your WordPress admin. That is your control center for everything. Go to the Promoted App menu and click Settings. Under your app, enter your app name and upload a square icon from the media library. For iOS, add your numeric App Store ID from your App Store URL, plus the full App Store link. Optionally, add an iOS deep link or universal link so installed users open the app directly. For Android, add your package name, Play Store URL, and optional Android deep link. Choose your campaign type. Auto is recommended, Smart Pop-up on mobile, QR code on desktop. You can also pick a center pop-up, a bottom slide-up bar, or native OS banners only for a minimal approach. Write your message, headline, body text, install button label, and not now label. Under timing and frequency, set how many milliseconds to wait before showing the prompt, how many page views are required first, snooze days after dismiss, and maximum shows per visitor if you want a cap. Enable the campaign and save your settings. Your site is now promoting installs to real App Store listings. If you do not have a native app, scroll to Make My Site Installable. Enable PWA mode. Set your app name and short name for the home screen. Add a description. Upload a 512 by 512 PNG icon on your live domain. This is important for Android install prompts. Choose theme color and background color. Set display mode to standalone so the installed app feels like a real application, not a browser tab. Leave start URL empty to use your home page, or enter a URL on the same domain only. Enable show install prompt and iPhone add to home screen guide. For PWA only, leave iOS and Android store fields empty. If you leave an iOS store link in place, iPhone users may see the store pop-up instead of the PWA guide. Save settings, then go to Settings, Permalinks, and click Save once to register the manifest and service worker URLs. Test on your phone in Google Chrome, on Android, or Safari on iPhone. Wait about 2 seconds on the home page. You should see the install prompt or the manual install guide. See impressions, store or app opens, conversion rate, and dismissals for the last 30 days. The daily trend chart shows impressions and conversions per day. When you only have activity on recent days, the chart focuses on that window so bars are easy to read. Conversions by platform shows iOS, Android, PWA, and other. If A/B testing is enabled, compare variant A and B side by side. Whether you have apps in the App Store and Play Store, or you want your WordPress site to become the app, this plugin gives you one place to configure it, one place to measure it, and one consistent experience for every visitor. Install Promote Your App, configure it once, and start turning mobile browsers into installed apps.